center or we're going to go outside? She's over there. We'll follow her. Lots of cat stores. Always good. Nakayama Hiroyuki, is that right? Come on now, you know you know.
I love boats, I love trains, I love anything that
I love trains. Boats I can take the lead generally, although I'm going to enjoy this.
It's so cool.
I can actually smell a little bit of the sea here. I'm used to the east coast of the United States where you can smell the sea from a ways away.
Really?
Yeah, very strong. So you can't really smell it very well here. The Pacific doesn't smell as strongly. It's very futuristic.
Oh, heavens, yes. Well, you see the train in the back.
The old style one too.
Fading away in this one. You like that one better?
You know, I like them both. I'd be happy with either one. Kosomosu.
Well, next time we can take that one because they all take different routes. And it's gone. It's very fast.
Ready? Wave. Hi. There we go. Alright.
Very nice. Look at the cafe. Oh. いいね。あそこおしゃれ。さっきさ、大ちゃんがかっこいいって言ったお船あったじゃん。天ぷら食べる。そう、あのお船に。
This modern bridge, with cables spanning from the tall frontal tower, was completed in August 1993. It is the newest bridge on the Sumida River. It is called the Juro-Ohashi Bridge.
罪人が留置されていた場所でした。明治になってから造船所となりました。その造船所の跡地が1986年よりリバーシティ21として